Hey everybody, Robert from 4K High Films, and today we have another unboxing video. Now today we'll be unboxing the Fifine K668 USB microphone. The Fifine K668 USB microphone is a plug-and-play USB condenser home studio-based microphone. It's good for voice recordings, Skype, YouTube videos, and gaming. Now, when it comes to audio recording, it's very important to collect the best possible quality sound before the post-production process and or engineering process. So I can't wait to open up this mic, get into it, and really put it to the test. Now the first thing you notice when you open the box is the thank you card for being a valued customer and the user manual directly on top. Directly under that, you'll find the pop filter and the three-legged desktop tripod for the mic. And last, you'll find the K668 USB microphone from Fifine. Now it has the cord connected directly to the mic to make for an easy installation. So installation is as simple as taking the USB end of the microphone and plugging it into the rear USB port located on your PC and or laptop. Once plugged into the PC, your computer should automatically pick up the microphone and you should be able to start recording. In the instance you're not able to start recording and your computer hasn't picked it up, you can manually select your microphone by opening the sound settings located on your desktop and manually selecting the recording device. So after testing out the mic, I can honestly say it's a durable piece of equipment. The plug-and-play technology makes it easy enough to plug it into the back of your computer and it connects with just about any recording software you have out there. My favorite thing is that it's an omnidirectional mic, and so it's able to pick up sound on all sides without actually picking up extra sound in the background. One thing I say that was kind of a pet peeve for me is that I had to turn up the sound just a little bit to compensate for the extra sound that I needed. But once I was able to find my right settings, it worked like a charm. And for the price of $25, you can't beat it. So I can't wait to get more use out of it here at my home-based studio. So there you have it. If you'd like to know more information about the K668, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below.